Welcome to the video on parliamentary procedure. BYU-MUN seeks to follow the actual procedure that's used within the UN. And when learning parliamentary procedure, often referred to Parli Pro, it may seem like it's mastering a new language and can be confusing, maybe sometimes intimidating, but after you practice enough, you can learn how to speak fluently. You can find a copy of the Parliamentary Procedure Guide Sheet under the BYU-MUN training materials on the Kennedy Center website. This document is super helpful and can help you identify what types of motions and points can be made throughout the timeline of a session. The following are a couple tips of Parli Pro that will be useful during session. First is during roll call, which is taken at the start of each committee session. You can vote either present or present and voting. If you do vote present in voting, then you may not abstain in any following votes, and you can only vote yes or no. The second is that all motions begin with "your country name moves to." So for example, if I'm Germany, I would say Germany moves to, and then whatever motion. So Germany moves to open the speakers list, or set the agenda, or suspend the meeting for a 20-minute caucus. Next is that your country can only appear on the speakers list once at a time. After your speech, your country's name must be put up on it again, and you can do this by sending a message to the dais. To close, I'm just going to show you how to find that Parli Pro document I was talking about. You go to the Kennedy Center website, and under Diplomacy Camp 2020, you click on Training Materials. That's going to take you to a new page where you find the Parliamentary Procedure Guide Sheet. And there it is, and you can find all the points and motions that you will need during a committee, during a session, and they're in chronological order. You can read about when each one is used, how to phrase them, and at the end there are things to remember, some that are repeated from this video, and this would be a great thing to review. We look forward to seeing you at the conference, and good luck!